Alright, let's talk about how you can autofill dates in Excel. And in this video, I'll be covering 4 different examples to show you how you can do this. So in the first example in this column, we're going to just add each date sequentially. We'll show you how to autofill the same date down an entire column. A specific day of the week, so say you only want to display Wednesdays, and in this column, if you only would like to display weekdays and exclude weekends. So in this first cell here, we're just going to type today's date, which is March 12th, 2026. Now this is in the United States date format. This method of autofilling will work no matter which type of date format you use. So if we select this cell that we had just entered, and you'll notice in the bottom right corner there's a little square. If we hover over that square, we'll notice that our little plus sign turns black instead of white. So go ahead and click that little square, and you can drag this down as far as you like. For each cell, the date is increasing sequentially by 1 day. Now, if we want to display the same date, again 3/12/2026, and if we select this cell and control click this time and drag down, then it will copy the exact same date all the way down. Now, if we want a specific day of the week, say we only want to include Thursdays because today is Thursday, so we'll type 3/12/2026. And then what you need to do is just enter in the next Thursday, which would be 3/19/2026. Now I'll highlight both of those cells, click this bottom right corner, and I can drag that down. And you'll notice that now Excel is only going to be displaying Thursdays. Now we'll type our date one more time here to show you how you can include only weekdays. So we'll select that cell and drag this all the way down. And what you'll notice is it just did the same thing we did here, which is not exactly what we want. But you'll notice in the bottom right corner there's this autofill options button. If you select that, Excel will come up with a bunch of different options that you can choose to autofill that column or row. So in this case, we want to fill with weekdays, so we'll just select that, and it will include only weekdays, and you'll notice here it's excluding Saturday and Sunday. But there you have it. That's how you can autofill dates in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.